Rolling.
We're live on the set.
They say, live from New York. It's Saturday Night Live. How does the music go?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our next video. In this video, we hook up the drive shafts and the steering box. We're going to take this chassis for a ride around the block. Walking around and not even filming. Alright, we got these drive shafts all cleaned up and painted. We primed them with some Rust-Oleum primer, and then we painted them with Rust-Oleum gloss black paint. Taped off the U-joints so they'd stay clean, and we'll grease those after we get them in, but we're gonna throw them in this chassis. Let's throw them bad boys in there. Alright, we got the drive shafts put in. Now we got to clean up this nasty, dirty steering box and replace the tie rod end on it with the steer linkage, clean that up, paint it. We're eventually going to put power steering on this thing, but we're hook it up with what we got now, get this thing on the road.
Rolling. Do we need to put anti-lock?
And he says, you know, that's probably not a bad idea.
Look at the end. Should we do where you snapping it?
And it's in there.
Rolling.
We're live on the set.
Live. They say, live from New York. It's Saturday Night Live. How does the music go? Colin Jost. Kate McKinnon. What does peach ring mean?
Peach ring?
Peach ring. They always have like a person that they say peach ring before their name. You're not gonna put that on?
Not right now.
Oh, we never painted the tie rod in.
We'll paint it when we paint this.
We should have a master class, Dad. Wouldn't it be cool if we had master class? You could learn anything you wanted.
All right, stop rolling. All right, we got this steering linkage painted and the steering box painted and everything installed. And we would take this thing for a ride around the block, but we still don't have a water pump or a carburetor or any kind of fuel lines. We still got a ways to go. But hopefully we can get this thing up and running here soon. We're going to spend some time working on the tub. We've got one more quarter panel to finish putting on. And in the next video, we are going to show you how to make a patch panel with simple tools. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can know when our videos are coming out.